Alright, both packet snacks, and this is the baked pretzel ranch deep inside. Let's try it. Smell like sour cream. Look like this. I think it's some ranch inside. It's dry, but I don't feel the sour taste. In the end, yeah. At the start, I feel only pretzel taste, but in the end, I start to feel some sour cream, maybe butter, and ranch taste. It's inside. Not bad. Not bad. I want to try something like this, but maybe a more cheesy taste or maybe bacon taste. Need to check. Maybe I can find something interesting. Not bad, not bad. I like it.